Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 ostrich facts. Record breaker big bird. 1. Ostriches are huge flightless birds with only two species, the common ostrich and the Somali ostrich. Both species are native to parts of Africa. 2. They are not only the world's tallest birds, but they are also the heaviest as well. Males can grow up to 9 feet or 2.7 meters and weigh up to 287 pounds or 130 kilograms. 3. Ostriches hold another record too. They are the fastest land bird and can run as fast as 43 miles per hour or 70 kilometers per hour. Though they can't maintain those speeds for long, they can run at around 31 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour for longer durations. 4. They also hold the record for laying the biggest eggs on modern Earth. They are about 3 pounds or 1.3 kilograms each, and measure about 5 inches or 13 centimeters wide. 5. They don't need to drink too much water, as they get most of their required intake from their food. 6. Their big size lets some people below a certain weight ride them. Ostrich races with jockeys on their backs occur in several parts of the world. Ostriches aren't as easily controllable as horses though, and try to get rid of their riders as soon as possible. They also don't particularly care about racing, and may not finish a race or even run at all. 7. Ostriches can live to about 70 in captivity, but their wild cousins usually don't exceed 40. 8. Ostriches don't actually bury their heads in the ground. Their heads sometimes look that way when they are digging holes for their eggs to nest in. They also have to move their eggs around throughout the day. 9. Just like horses, they have a powerful kick that's potentially deadly to humans and its predators. And 10. They are omnivores who eat lizards, rodents, insects, and some plants. They don't have teeth, so they need to swallow small rocks and sand particles to help break down its meal in its gizzard. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.